Whew. That furnace got it warm in here. What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to Scratch Outdoors. I'm out here in the camper again. Picked me up a curry chicken, so I'm about to enjoy my first meal in here by myself. I ain't got nobody with me today. Before I get working, I'm gonna go ahead and eat some of this. Looking good, it's looking good. I don't know if y'all can see that right there, curry chicken with all the whatever that comes in there, the cabbage, rice, beans. Yeah. So it's so cold outside right now that I cut the heat on, because you know we got the heat working it last time, dog. So got the heat on, warming up, watching me a little TV. Then I'm gonna start working on that front room a little bit. See, can I get the walls sanded down at least, or get everything sanded down like I want, so that I can get ready to prime and prep, or prep and prime, however you want to say that, for the white paint, so I can get that room back together, and then I can move on to the rest of whatever's going on. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat these vittles, and I'll get back with y'all in the short. Almost forgot my respirator. So what I did just now was I cut this little piece of the panel out. So yeah, it looks like it's Luan or whatever. It's dry, but it needs to be a new piece put in there. So I'm gonna take this with me. Try to get a match for the right one. I think it's, I don't know, whatever Luan, but I'm gonna cut a little, I'm gonna cut a little chunk out of here too, because that probably needs to go ahead and be fixed or replaced. Yeah, see, that needed to come out. That needed to come out. I'm glad I did that. tired. Oh Lord. Yeah. I don't really like sanding neither. Painting, sanding. But it gotta get done. Okay. Alright, I done finished sanding down the entire room. Get him unplugged. I just need to wipe it down and prime it at this point. So we got that out the way. Also gotta fix the pieces that I cut out, put new pieces in from the water damage from the roof. And I'll be done diggity done, son. Alright, well, that concludes today's sanding. So I'll see y'all on the next time. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Scratch Outdoors. Peace.